What's the meaning of brief lives? Brief lives. Brief lives.
Brief lives. Brief lives. Brief lives is a phrase that refers to the idea that life, and by extension one's existence, is fleeting and transitory. It suggests that our time on earth is limited and we should strive to make the most of it. The concept of brief lives has been explored in various forms of literature, philosophy, and religion. It serves as a reminder to live in the present and cherish every moment, as tomorrow is not guaranteed. Overall, brief lives reminds us to appreciate the beauty and fragility of life and to make the most out of the time we have.